real quick, I just want to show you how to clear a jam on one of these Dewalt nail guns. First thing you want to do is you want to take and remove the battery. Then you want to pull your cartridge back. They provide this Allen key that's right here. So you want to pull that out. There's 2 bolts right there on top. You want to loosen those up. Loosen them all the way out. Then you want to pull that cartridge loose and see how it released the nail like that. And sometimes it'll get stuck right here. Luckily this time it did not. If it gets stuck right here, all you gotta do is take your finger and push and it'll slide back down in there. Then you want to snap it back into place like that. Then tighten your bolts back up. Put your Allen key back in here so you don't lose it. Take it and load your nails back in. Put your battery, and you're good to go. So, God bless. Have a wonderful day. The more you know, the more valuable you are.